Hello everybody, this is Michael. In this video, we will talk about the ESP32 PICO Wi-Fi Bluetooth board PCB board review. Okay, so here let's take a look at our board, what it looks like. Okay, so this is our board. Okay, this is our board. Here, this is ESP32 chip. Okay, ESP32 PICO chip. Here, this is the reverse F antenna. Reverse F antenna. Okay. So these two connector is a wire out GPIO pin. This two is wire out GPIO pin, and this one is a button. This one is another button. It's a key. Okay, it's another key button. Okay, these two, and this one is USB to UR, USB to UR chip. This one is USB to UR chip. Okay. This one is LDO, is a power supply LDO. Okay. And this one is a TVS diode. This one is a TVS diode. This one. And this one is dual PMP. This is dual PMP. Okay. This one is a USB connector. This one is a USB connector. So for this board, the first things we will test USB power supply and USB to UR chip, which is these two chips. Is this one and this one. Okay, so next time we will solder these two chips to see whether it can work correctly or not. For example, for the LDO, whether it can output 3.3 volt voltage or not. For the USB to UR, whether it can be recognized by the PCB, by the PC computer. Okay. So this is the board. Okay, this is our board, and next time we will do some first testing. Okay, so this is this video. I'm Michael. See you next time.